Flow control for E61 espresso machines has been around for about 8 years. I almost always recommend having it installed. It's a knob or paddle that controls the water flow rate through the group. I start with the paddle about a quarter turn open for gentle pre-infusion. Usually I let that run for about 5 to 7 seconds, but with lighter roasted coffees, sometimes I'll do a full puck saturation. I start at a quarter turn and pressure will start to ramp up. And when I see the first drops, that's how I know the puck is pretty much saturated. Then I just move the paddle to the stock flow rate and finish out the shot.